What is going on YouTube? So today we have the Junkyard Accord back in the shop, and I feel like DJ has learned the car enough to be able to handle being low too now. So the shifting stuff, he's pretty much got that down pat. I will be doing a video on his better driving coming up really shortly. May try to even shoot it when we let him drive the car with the coilovers on it for the first time, but his shifting has gotten night and day better, like so much better now, guys. So for everybody that was commenting saying they felt bad for the car and stuff, sometimes it's the only way to learn. Just get out there and do it. So with that being said, we got the CG sitting in the shop today. We're gonna get this thing nicely stanced out. Not going for a super low look. I just really wanna kind of get the fender well gap cleaned up, try to get this thing sitting a little bit lower. I think it's gonna look amazing. This is like one of my favorite factory wheels for this generation car, so I think this thing is really gonna be clean. Few updates. He did get an exhaust put on this thing, so. Be careful with it, nice and easy. There you go. I'm gonna take that to the other side. Huh? Oh, you want me to put this on top of that one? No, you ain't got to. You just lay it down the side. I mean, I can do it. Okay, you gonna do it, you do it. Okay, good job.
What up? What up, YouTube?
Here we are, boys. So it is now the next day. I quit once I got the entire car on the coilovers yesterday. And per usual, the front is a little higher than the rear. Now, the good thing is the back right now is completely maxed out. But especially for DJ, I do not want to go any lower than where the back is. The only thing we got to do now is get this front to match. So as you can see, the front is kind of got a little Carolina squat going on. So I'd say probably about maybe a ½ inch should do it. So I'm gonna go ahead, start jacking this front back up, pause, and get the front suspension lowered. These CG's rears are the absolute worst when it comes to doing suspension, especially if you're taking the stock stuff off. Guys, if you're doing this for your first time here, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, it's gonna be pretty darn difficult. Now you can remove like the strut bars and stuff, the sway bar links and whatnot, and it'll make it a little easier, but it's tough, man. These things are incredibly long. Like this thing right here is just, it's ridiculous how long it is, pause. But that makes it virtually impossible. Like I literally had to sit on the piece of breaker bar that I got and kind of flex the suspension down with my weight just to get that thing up out of there. And yeah, it probably been easier with two people, but I've done this a couple of times by myself, and I always forget just how much of a pain it is until I'm actually messing with it. But yeah, rear is good. Everything's back together on the inside of the car. And yeah, all we gotta do now is just adjust this front setup some, and we should be able to go out for a test drive. Yeah, damn. Oh boy. Damn, that's about perfect. Yep, shit looks good, boys. Man, that's about perfect. That is about perfect. So, yeah, we looking minty, boys. We are looking minty. So, I got both sides done. Everything is pretty much square, but of course we had to have another issue because nothing's ever just smooth. Two of these studs broke off on this wheel. Apparently somehow they got cross-threaded. I'll take the blame. I did put it on last, but that being said, I'm gonna just have to pick some up. We got a doctor's appointment anyway in a few minutes. So while I'm out, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 more studs and 2 more lugs. And hopefully, I can't remember because I don't know if I ever changed mine on my trap or not, but I think these should be fairly easy to get out. I'm hoping it's a space in the back that we can just knock them through, because I'm hoping you don't have to take this whole spindle apart. But yeah, that being said, guys, this thing looks freaking amazing. I know DJ is gonna be really excited to get it back. So 1, 2, brand new wheel studs in. Let's get this thing thrown back together. All right, so got this side finished up finally. It's not that late. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up, all my tools and stuff, and I may drive it, but I don't know if I'm gonna film that. I mean, it's a set of coilovers. They're gonna ride a little stiffer, they're gonna ride a little better, and it's gonna give them a better look overall. So I think when we do the update video, that'll be when I have, like, me and DJ are actually, I'll let him drive and we'll just ride around and we'll talk about the ride quality a little bit more. But it's already dark outside, it's Thursday, and I really want to get this video up for y'all tomorrow. So yeah, pitch black outside, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead, get everything cleaned up. Look at this mess. Oh my God. But yeah, this thing's looking great. Glad I got all those studs fixed. Everything is mint now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and then we'll wrap this video up. So guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up. I am in the works with Maxpeedingrods. I'm gonna try to give a set of coilovers away for an Accord. So make sure you stay tuned in the next vlog or so. We should have our correct setup going on. But what I'm trying to do is anybody with an Accord from 1990 all the way to 2002, I'm trying to give a set of coilovers away. So if you watch the content on this one and you have one, or you have a CD5, CD7, I'm trying to give away a set of coilovers. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the next couple vlogs. It will be disclosed in one of them. So if you're a daily watcher of the channel, I suggest you really pay attention in the next couple vlogs if you're trying to win a free set. This will be absolutely free. All I'm gonna have everybody do is probably just comment the year of your car, like the year and make and model of your car, something like that, and I'll throw everybody's comment, like everybody's YouTube name in a randomizer, and we'll pick a winner like that, just so I can get someone else a nice set of coilovers for their ride, hopefully help one of the fellow DF Squad people out. So yeah, that being said, again, if you would like a set of coilovers, go to Maxpeedingrods.com. Make sure you use the coupon code DF Squad at checkout. It will save you big time, and you'll be able to get a decent set of coilovers for around $200 to $250, which is like, it's freaking unheard of in this day and time, guys. So make sure you jump on these deals. I will catch y'all next time. Remember, like, share, subscribe, respect all bills. Peace out.